Have you ever looked at your budget at the end of the month and wondered where in the world all of your money went to? I've totally been there. That's why I've made this spending tracker. It helps me to really see where my money is going and how much I'm spending in each category. I'm going to show you how easy it is to keep up with your budget, that it doesn't have to be complex, and you can keep up with how much you're spending. This spreadsheet is also really great if you need to track spending for if you're volunteering somewhere or if you're in if you own a business or if you have a nonprofit and you need to track your expenses for tax reasons as well. So this is an easy spreadsheet. This is available in Google Sheets and Excel, and I'm going to show you how it works. So here it is, and I'm going to highlight this first row and then just hit the delete button, and then we have a line that we can show you how it works. So we're going to put in, so today's date is the 1st, and say the category is food. And of course, we are going to go to Starbucks and get our favorite drink in the morning, and then we are going to pay with a debit card. Description, favorite drink on Tuesdays. And then you spent $6.50. And your, I don't have any notes. Let's say my fave. Now, if you wanted to do something different, you could. If you wanted to keep track of, say, a business expenses, and so say we're coming in and then we are going to, let's do food again, and then let's just going to say this is a restaurant, and this is going to be, let's say, with a debit card, and this is going to be a business meeting. And say you spent $65 on food and drinks for a client meeting. And that way, if this is, say, for your business expenses, you can keep track of this and then turn this in at the end of the month. Or if this is personal and you're trying to go through and say, hey, what am I spending my most money on? I can see that most of the things that I'm spending money on is food because it's in here a bunch of times. And then that way, if you're looking through, you can go, oh, wow, I'm really spending a lot on food. I can track this and then see, how can I cut some things out? How can be a little bit more, frugal and save a few more things. So if you needed to change this payment method at all, so say your expense came through some other way, say it was like ACH or something like that, you can hit the edit button and then you can add another item, customize, and then you could choose the color, and then we could say ACH if that was an option. You can hit done and apply to all. So then that would change it if you had another payment method, if you need to change that as well. And then this is also going to add up all of the amount that you have spent for that occasion, or if it's a monthly period or things like that, you can add up all of your expenses there. So that is a really, really simple sheet to keep up with your expenses for whatever purpose that you have. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com, and I hope that you have a great day.